Alright, so we got the box from MaundSpeed. Let's open it up and check it out and see what we got inside. So it's a really simple design. It's a license plate bracket, the Lucas style taillight. It's got this raised plastic bit here, and then the power connector. Looks really straightforward, pretty elegant too. I'm kind of digging on the design of the plastic lens there. So let's get started. Hey, this is Joe from Way Adventures. Hey there, this is Joe from Way Adventures. Today we're going to be taking care of this mess. This is the stock setup on my 2019 Street Scrambler. It's got that big plastic bit that hangs down. So we're going to be putting on a MaundSpeed tail tidy that's made specifically for this bike. All right, so I've got the back fender off. I'm just gonna go through and remove the inside protector plastic here. So this is where I go big. This is the point of no return. Yeah, where I start cutting up my bike. So I'm just going to go through on this inside fender, and I'm just going to carefully mark where I want to Dremel it, and then take it over to the Dremel station, which of course is the floor. And slowly work my way across, cutting this as carefully as possible. I just want to make nice clean lines. There's no rush. I've found that whenever you're grinding or dremeling or anything like that, you just take your sweet time. Otherwise, this makes a mess. So, there we go. All right, so it's all trimmed up. I sanded it a little bit, with just some 100 grit, and it looks pretty clean, almost like it was meant to be. Yeah, I think it turned out all right. There you go. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take and mount the license plate. I want to see how it's going to look. There's this additional piece right here that's kind of a protector for all of these wires. But if you look where it sits, it also has a piece that hangs down, and the license plate should cover that nicely. So this is how it looks all put together. There's that little, let me show you this without losing it all. There's this plastic trim piece here. Yeah, let's go ahead and cut it out. So I've got my line marked, and back to the Dremel station. So there's the edited piece. I took a chunk off like that big, sand it up a bit, and then looks like we can mount it all together. Pretty cool, huh?